Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time to reveal another goodie in Spellbinders' Crafty Advent Calendar. If you purchase Spellbinders' 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar and haven't looked at today's item, December 2nd, you may want to pause the video. I'm about to reveal it. Day number 2 is on the left-hand side. This is a larger window. Gently open up that front window, and on the back side there's a picture of a lovely floral image, the sentiment, "Hello friend." I'll remove the paper protective cover. It looks like we have a stamp set. The glue dots Spellbinders used this year are super strong. So hopefully that means everything stayed put in their correct day. I'll grab a white piece of cardstock so you can get a better look at this lovely stamp set. As promised, I'm doing a process video every single day of the Advent Calendar. So let's get started and make a card using the December 2nd item. I will be using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Sugar Pea Designs. It's Sugar Sketch number 19. For pattern paper, I'm using the same collection that I used for yesterday's card. This is from Pink Paislee. It's the Joyful Notes collection. I will have links in the description box for any products that are still available, but my goal this year using the Advent Calendar is to dig around in my craft room and use up some older collections. I selected 3 pattern papers for the card. It's a lovely floral paper for the background, more of a tone-on-tone pattern for that larger strip on the left side, and I did round all of the corners. For the narrow strip going across the card, this is a tone-on-tone pattern with a bunch of script. Instead of layering that piece with cardstock, I'm adding some Love from Lizzie peel-offs. This is the pinstripe style in the gold mirror color, and I'm using the widest width. Since I'm covering up most of that background area, I was able to use some of those scrap pieces of peel-offs. This is why you always save those scrap pieces. No one has to know that I don't have a full strip going all the way across the card. I'll wrap the ends around the back, layer this piece on some cranberry colored cardstock. Next, I'll add the floral panel on the left side of the card. Now I'll put adhesive on the back and add my card front onto a card base. This is an American Standard A2 size card. 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. I've already gone ahead and stamped the beautiful floral image on some light pink cardstock, and I cut it out using a stitch circle die. Since the pink cardstock is fairly thin, I cut out a second circle die cut, and I'll glue the two together. That way it has a little more stability. I've also stamped the sentiment and cut it out using a smaller stitch circle die. I'll first adhere the floral circle die cut, and I'm adhering it more on the left side than what's indicated on the card sketch. That way I have enough space to add the sentiment above it and on the right side. Since part of the sentiment circle die cut is going off of the pink circle, I will add some foam dimension. But after adding the foam dimension, now I'll need to add a scrap piece of cardstock in the other area. That way it's all at the same level. I'll remove the release paper, put glue on the back, and adhere the sentiment. And I'm trying to make sure to get the sentiment nice and straight. For embellishments, I'm using more Love from Lizzie peel-offs. This is the mini circle style in the gold mirror color. I'll put 3 in the upper left-hand corner and 2 underneath the sentiment on the right side. If you've never tried Love from Lizzie peel-offs before, I highly recommend them. She has several different styles available in a wide variety of colors. And I do have her peel-offs linked in the description box. For a final finishing touch, I'm using a clear glitter brush from scrapbook.com. I'm adding some lovely sparkle on the flower petals. I thought I would add just a little more detail, this time using a pink glitter brush from scrapbook.com, and I'll color just the very center of the two flowers with it. If you've watched my channel before, you know that I don't color images. I may do a quick little brush over with a glitter marker, but that's about it. So there is my finished card using the December 2nd goodie from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. And my daughter played along again today. Here's a look at her beautiful card, and she does color. I believe she used Opaque markers for her image, and the pattern paper is probably from some older Spellbinder kits. She gets to raid my craft room and pretty much use whatever she wants. I know it's only December 2nd, but I'm already having so much fun crafting along with my daughter. The first year that Spellbinders had an advent calendar, my daughter did a card every single day. Then she decided to take last year off. So I was so excited when she said she wanted to do it again with me this year. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 3rd reveal and also a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.